Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome back to Shoe Barb, and I know I have been slack. I have a lot of videos to edit. As you know, editing is a beast, and we have to do it. A lot of work, but just want to let you know I'm coming back. I've been a little busy doing a few things, and I just wanted to come back and say I have created an ebook. My ebook is making simple sandals, so go on over to Patreon if you will and support your girl. And I thank you in advance if you buy it, and just see if you want to learn how to make a simple sandal. It's fun, it's easy. I don't think it was that hard. It's not that thick, and it also has a video tutorial to go along with it. So go on over to Patreon. My link will be in the description. And I just thank you in advance. I want to thank those that have been supporting me on the channel. You don't know, I appreciate you tremendously. And thank you for always supporting and looking at the videos. And here is a sneak peek of what you'll be making once you finish the ebook tutorial. This is the pair of sandals I've made. They're not that hard. It took about 3 days for me to make these, 3 or 4 days. But I just wanted to come back and let you know I will be continuing with some content, bringing you more content. So shoemaking is very rewarding for me, and I love it. And if you are thinking about it or want to try it, I need a partner. I need someone to, bounce ideas off of and collaborate. So if anyone is out there that want to come, contact me. For the ebook, if you have any suggestions, comments, positives, negatives, let me know in the comments. I welcome the feedback, whether positive or negative. It will only make me better and continue my journey as a self-made shoemaker. So again, I thank you. I welcome you. Just come back and let you know that this is going to be a lifestyle for me. So for the next 50 years, I'll probably still be making shoes. I think I just gave my age there, but hopefully I live 100. But just to let you know, I'll be working on a high heel, and it's not going to be a stiletto. It's just going to be a 3-inch maybe heel. And I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what I'm working on. It may turn out to be a little different when I go to do the video for the high heel shoes. But this right here is I would say a guinea pig to what and how I'm doing it. So here's a sneak peek of it. Sneak peek. But I just wanted to let you guys know I'm back at it, and just keep looking and keep supporting, and stay tuned for the next videos that's coming up. I think I'm trying to do like little snippets of what I'm doing, and if you want the complete video, I am putting them on Patreon to get a little support and in this craft. But I will put the videos eventually up on YouTube, but what I'll be doing is little snippets of, you know, about 7 to 10 minute videos maybe of what I'm doing. So thank you guys for supporting me, and please continue to like, share, and subscribe to my videos, and I will see you all on my next video. Thank you.